Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful realm of self-care, yoga therapy. In this session, we'll explore 8 transformative yoga poses that can work wonders in alleviating stress and anxiety. Pose 1, Child's Pose. Our first pose, Child's Pose, is a beautiful way to start. Kneel on the mat, gently lower your torso toward your thighs and extend your arms forward. Feel the gentle stretch in your back and shoulders. As we sink into this posture, focus on your breath, inhaling tranquility, exhaling stress. Pose 2, Cat-Cow. Pose transitioning into cat-cow pose. Let's synchronize breath with movement. Arch your back like a cat, round your spine, then gently curve it into a cow-like stretch. This flowing motion helps release built-up tension in the spine. Pose 3, Downward Facing Dog. In Downward Facing Dog, lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape. Feel the stretch through your hamstrings and the extension in your spine. Let your head hang loosely, allowing any tension to melt away. Pose 4, Standing Forward, Fold. Moving into standing forward, fold, bend forward from the hips, allowing your upper body to relax over your legs. This pose releases tension in the back and hamstrings while calming the mind. Feel free to sway gently side to side, finding your comfortable stretch. Pose 5, Warrior 2. As we step into Warrior 2, ground your feet firmly and extend your arms parallel to the ground. This powerful pose strengthens both body and mind. Feel the determination and strength in your stance, letting go of any stress as you hold this pose. Pose 6, Bridge Pose Bridge. Pose offers a beautiful opening for the chest and the front of your body. As you lift your hips and spine off the mat, engage your core and breathe deeply. Feel the energy flowing through your body, easing any tension stored in your muscles. Pose 7, Seated Forward. Fold seated forward. Fold gently stretches the lower back and hamstrings. With a straight spine, fold forward from your hips, reaching toward your feet or shins. Let gravity do the work as you relax into this calming stretch. Pose 8, Corpse Pose. Finally, we come to Corpse Pose, a rejuvenating posture for complete relaxation. Lie down on your back, arms at your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Feel the serenity and peace washing over you as you surrender to this restful posture. Thank you for joining me on this yoga therapy journey. Remember, these poses are not just physical exercises. They are invitations to connect with your body, breath, and inner peace. If you found these poses helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might benefit. Let's spread the gift of yoga and wellness together. Until next time, may you find serenity in every breath. Namaste.